Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to buy COD points with Apple gift card. So let's get started. First of all, redeem your gift card. Open the App Store. Tap your profile and select redeem gift card. Enter the code and your balance is ready to roll. Next, launch Roblox or any other game and head to the in-game store. Find the code points section. Look for your favorite bundle. Select the bundle and the App Store payment screen will appear. Make sure it's set to your Apple ID balance. Then confirm the purchase. Boom! Your code points are now added to your account. Time to gear up and dominate the game. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.